G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 67 Murphy Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This is not your standard home. Let's go take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most sought after locations in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This character-filled, solid brick home is positioned on an elevated 625 square metre allotment, offering side access and space to add a pool if desired. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle of being only a short drive away from beautiful Gattaca's Bay and boat ramp, the Esplanade, beach and golf course, along with the convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great nearby. You can enter the home from the garage or the veranda on the southern side, with both entry points leading directly into the main living area, which features high-raked ceilings and exposed timber rafters running the entire length of the home over the living, kitchen and dining spaces. The kitchen forms the heart of this home and has been completely updated with a commercial grade range hood taking centre stage above the large 900mm induction cooktop. You also have a wall oven and a microwave oven, along with loads of bench preparation and storage space, as well as a pantry. Perfect for both everyday meals and catering for those special occasions. Come together each day over a meal in the open plan dining area directly off the kitchen, which again features those high rake ceilings, exposed rafters and a bar, and you've also got split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. Relax in the sunken lounge room, which sits below those high rake ceilings with the exposed rafters, and again you've got split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. This is the perfect space to enjoy your favourite television series and the latest movie releases. Stepping outside from both the living and dining areas, you have an expansive veranda which runs the entire length of the home. This is the perfect space to relax and unwind while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This charming home features 3 bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan and split system air conditioning, and 2 also include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom has a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a built-in wardrobe, as well as an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a bath, a shower and a vanity, and you've got a separate toilet. There is also a home office that could double as a 4th bedroom when needed to accommodate those unexpected guests who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The laundry includes ample storage space and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation is provided by an oversized single garage with a remote controlled door, plus you've got a rear access door to the backyard. There is also side access and space to accommodate an RV, caravan or boat, and the energy conscious will appreciate the solar power system. Homes in this location and price point are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.